Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Windows 11 has all updates and activation. Valorant requires TPM2, 0 and Secure Boot. Next, reboot into your Gigabyte BIOS by pressing Del or F2. Do it now. Once in BIOS, locate the current firmware version and compare to the latest release. Make sure you have a backup of important files and a note of any custom BIOS settings. You do this because firmware updates and BIOS changes can reset options, so a backup prevents accidental configuration loss. You now enable the platform's security features. In Gigabyte BIOS, locate Peripherals or Advanced, then Trusted Computing, switch to TPM2. 0. On AMD this appears as FTPM, on Intel as PTT. After that, open Boot Options and enable Secure Boot. Choose Windows 11 default keys when asked, because that ensures compatibility with Microsoft signing. Save changes and reboot into Windows. Once booted, run TPM. MSC to confirm TPM is ready and check device security in Windows Security to verify Secure Boot is active. You finish by reinstalling or updating Riot Vanguard. Run Valorant as administrator to confirm the anti-cheat recognizes TPM and Secure Boot. If you still see TPM or Vanguard errors, try 2 steps. Roll back the BIOS to the previous stable version or clear CMOS and reapply only the necessary settings, because a corrupted firmware change can break hardware detection. Make sure GPU and chipset drivers are current via Device Manager or Windows Update. If problems remain, document error codes and contact Gigabyte support with BIOS details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.